So much for taking care of the Acura NSX. What did we have done to it?
Well, we just kind of upgraded some of the stuff that wears out on the Supercharger kit over the years. The original kits had a voltage booster that boosted voltage to the fuel pump. Well, the fuel pumps are now 30 years old, so the fuel pumps start to go away. So we took that system out. We put a new fuel pump in. We checked compression. We checked leakage. We replaced all the fuel lines. We found a couple of the fittings on the fuel lines had a little dents in them, so we replaced those.
Oh, thank you.
But other than that, that's kind of all we really did. We serviced the transmission. I believe this car, looking at my notes, has a 455 ring of pinion. Okay. So you got to run a different oil in the car with that one than you do with the other. So yeah, it has the 75 140 Motul oil in it now. Nice. But yeah, I mean,
the
like
engine oil or
no,
transmission?
the transmission oil.
Got it.
These cars have a pressurized transmission system. So they actually have an oil pump in there. It's not just a splash system.
Oh wow. Okay.
So and it's got a screen and a filter on it. So we pull the screen out, we clean the filter out, and replace it with the oil. Nice. Yeah.
So it has about 38,000 miles right now. Yeah. And do I need anything more to continue driving this? Like just enjoy it?
No, I mean, there's really nothing else you need to do. I mean, there is some things that can kind of enhance your feel for it. You know, doing some of the suspension stuff, the non-compliant stuff in the back, like we talked about that. That really helps the tires last a lot longer. And actually makes the car handle a lot better. You know, and you could do suspension stuff on it to bring down the ride height a little bit.
It's 4x4.
So it's not so high. And actually the suspension stuff we get now, actually, quite frankly, rides a lot better than the stock stuff.
Oh, really?
So like it, you know, it soaks up bumps pretty well. So,
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Well, we're gonna enjoy it, and then maybe summertime we might offload it because we have the Tesla Model Y over there, and I know you don't like the Cybertruck, but I have one order, and I got the Cyber Beast, which is the one that costs $120,000. 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds.
my customer that races the S2000, he has a Plaid, and
Model S, Model X,
whatever the bigger one. No,
with the Falcon window.
Car.
Oh, no, the
regular, and I'm sort of scared to ride in it. So.
It's too fast for you?
Yeah, I don't.
Too fast for a race car driver? What? It's 1.9 0 to 60 in that Plaid. 1.99, I think.
And my wife was just picking up my daughter at school, and she called me and she goes, "I just saw the ugliest thing I've ever seen in existence." And she goes, "I think it was a Tesla truck."
It is polarizing. I won't doubt that. I see that camp too. So, it is what it is. It's unique. That's what it is.
Like I said, we had that conversation before. It is unique. So I can't knock that. You know, everyone doesn't have the same taste.
No, so. But when we need our NSX or Supercharger or NSX or S2000, we come to you because you're Comptech guy. And this is what, Driving Ambition right here?
Yep. Yeah.
Nice. And where are we at? What city are we in?
Rancho Cordova.
Rancho Cordova, California.
So, we're just east of Sacramento. Yeah. So,
awesome. Awesome. And what kind of experience do you have with NSX and S2000? A lot, right?
A lot.
So
I mean, I've been working on them since they were new.
Right.
So so we were working on them when they were new. I started work at Comptech in '91 when they just came out, and I was a mechanic on the race car version of the NSX.
Yeah, I would not trust my car with any other mechanic because it has the Comptech Supercharger, and look at that, Comptech Supercharger there. You own the brand now, you own the license, you make Comptech Supercharger. So I'm very comfortable bringing the NSX to you, especially because it's Comptech. So thank you again, Shad.
Yeah, you bet.
It's been a pleasure.
Awesome.